Hey everybody, what's going on? Kyle here from DIY Buildouts. I want to show you a new and exciting product that I just received that I think might change the way golfers go about motorizing their push carts. So if you want to see, stay tuned. So ladies and gentlemen, this here is a Caddie wheel. It's a motorized push cart attachment. Remote control, one wheel power. Let's take a little bit of a closer look now. Now this entire setup is really just a push cart, as you can see here, and they have a variety of push carts that are compatible with it. And you just drop in two brackets, this one and one over there, and then the Caddie wheel unit itself. It's really straightforward. Add the additional Velcro strap here, which just gives it free range of motion to the ground, but otherwise it couldn't be more like a regular push cart, except for now it's motorized. Now here we can take a closer look at the unit itself. It's basically a electric wheel with the battery attached on the side. It's got a charging port and the power button. Nice battery display, super clean and simple, very easy to understand what you're looking at. And here's the remote, nice crisp display, super easy to use as well. Now this is just the modifications that you have to do to make it fit on your push cart. You simply put the bracket on there and attach it with two zip ties. That is it. Basic, clean, simple, I love it. So here we have one of the steepest hills at my course, straight up here. We're going to put this thing through the test. It's got warning dew on the ground here as well, so there has been a little bit of wheel slippage so far, but this thing's handled beautifully. Have it on medium power because low power wasn't enough to get it up the hill. But it's not having any issues whatsoever climbing this hill. Next up, I ran a test going down a hill. I prefer to keep my hand on the push cart just so it's under control, but I did let it go as I came to a plateau, and you can see how the Caddie wheel was able to stop the cart with the braking function there. All right, mid-round check-in here. The first 9 holes of my course are relatively hilly. The back 9 are pretty flat. This thing got through the front 9 perfectly. Had no issues whatsoever. Really, morning dew as well. Had a few instances where the tire was spinning, but it would catch. Had to put this from low mode into medium mode for some of the hills. But again, nothing this system couldn't handle. It was pretty well thought out. So far, I would really recommend this, but I'll play the back 9, we'll check back in. All right, coming down number 18 here. Show you. Nice little hole here. This cart has done absolutely fantastic today. Highly recommend the Caddie wheel to anybody that is looking for a very compact, easy way to motorize a golf cart, or a push cart, I mean. You can really put this thing on just about every push cart out there, and it is so set and forget that you really don't even notice it's there. Compared to the other things on the market, it's very niche. It satisfies a very simple problem, and it does it in a highly effective way. So I have to give this thing an A+. Very happy. All right, so after that round yesterday, I just wanted to film kind of my overall take on the Caddie wheel and my experience. I think anybody that is looking to electrify their push cart could do so with this, and they'd be very, very satisfied. It is really like having your clubs on the course with you, but you don't have to put in any effort to push your push cart. The motor does all of that actual labor for you. You do interact with your push cart like you normally do. You have to keep a hand on it going up or down hills, but you don't have to put any strain pushing it. You know, there were times I drove the thing straight ahead of me in the fairway up to my ball, but again, you can't steer it, so you kind of line it up and then let it go. But for the most part, it was within a normal distance to me, a couple feet in front of me, and if I needed to engage with it, I could. It was a very simple, clean, easy to use thing. I would have to recommend this to anybody that's looking to electrify their cart, and they want to do so for, $600. It's a really good value for what it is, honestly. Had plenty of battery at the end of the day. Played 18 holes, and I still had 50 or 60% battery. Like I said before, my front 9 holes of my club are very steep and hilly, so it was put through the paces there in a morning dew round. And then the back is pretty flat, and it could easily go another 9 or 18 after the first 18. I'm super impressed, and if you're on the fence, I would go ahead and pull the trigger if I were you. I'll put a link in the description below. If you happen to buy it, it will support the channel. It is an affiliate link, but if you want to go somewhere else and buy it, that's personally fine by me as well. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it, and thank you, Caddie, for sending this product to me to review. Now I have to say Caddie Wheel did send me this product, but it was just for an honest review. This is not endorsed or paid in any way, other than the fact that they gave me the product and said, hey, make a video about your experience with it, whether it's good or bad. They don't edit this video, it's just me and my experience, and I'm thoroughly impressed by it, so that's why I'm giving it a glowing review. Thanks for tuning in for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you soon. Bye.